Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Dodge Dart SXT Sport. Stock number B9361X. Only 4,000 miles on this Dart. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. This Dart was one of our courtesy vehicles. Seats 5, cloth interior. It's in the compact car class, but has the interior space of a mid-size car. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And of course, with only 4,000 miles, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SXT Sport has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. You get only 4,000 miles, large, easy to read gauges. Cruise control. Easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Dart has a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average, 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 33 on the highway. You get only 4,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information about this Dart, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.